Welcome back to the channel, guys. Things have changed around here a little bit. I bought a Porsche and I now wear shades. Let's go! When you're a successful YouTuber like me with 2,800 subs, you can buy Porsches. It's a Porsche. It's a 911. It's a Carrera. It's from the 80s. You can't get any cooler than that. I bought it off a nice old lady. Been in the garage for years. Done hardly any miles. Now let's put it on the dyno and measure how cool it is. Let's go. Something's not right there. 92 horsepower, 107 foot-pound, Porsche 911. I think we need to have a look at it. Right, let's have a look under here then. What's that? What is that? Why is there a Golf GTI engine in my Porsche? What? Oh, she's had me right over. Why? What? Oh. Won't be needing those. It's just a bit of a joke, guys. I have bought it. It's a Covin Porsche kit car. I bought it just purely because it looked pretty cool. I don't know, that shape's awesome in it. It's got a Golf GTI engine in it, made to a Beetle gearbox. It's got some genuine Porsche bits on it here and there. It is what it is, really. It's a bit of fun. Looks pretty cool. What shall I do with it? I do not know. Stick around, you might find out. Subscribe to my channel. I might do something with it. I might not. But it's got a Golf GTI engine in it. That means a 20 valve engine will fit in it. You never know. See you later.